Let's take a look at what's inside the Rechargeable Battery Pro box. This box will come with your Sonnet 3 audio processor. To learn more about what is included in your Sonnet 3 box, be sure to watch our other unboxing video. This RCB Pro kit comes with one standard Pro battery and one Micro Pro battery, and a battery cover for each size. Our lightest Micro Pro battery lasts up to 12 hours from a single charge, and the standard Pro battery lasts up to 23 hours from a single charge. Together, they provide a whopping 35 hours of rechargeable battery life, plus the flexibility to wear Sonnet 3 as either our smallest processor ever or our most powerful processor ever. Each kit also comes with a charging unit that holds up to 2 batteries at a time, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. You can conveniently plug your charger into any power source, like a wall outlet, a laptop, a power bank, or even your car. Simply use the included USB-C cable or a USB-C to USB-A cable that you already have. The new charging unit allows for easy charging by sliding the battery into either slot, with or without your processor attached. Magnetic attraction gently pulls your battery into place, and the indicator lights on top will notify you that the batteries are charging. To learn more about the RCB Pro and Charger Pro, check out our hands-on video. And that's the Rechargeable Battery Pro Kit. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.